Welcome to this video on KPI Development and Management. After watching this video, you will be able to define KPIs, describe which KPIs a product owner manages, and explain how KPI feedback loops drive continuous improvement. A key performance indicator, KPI, measures success of strategic objectives. KPIs translate abstract goals into concrete metrics to monitor and optimize them. They enable teams to track progress, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. A KPI should follow the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, examine this KPI: accept 85% of all user stories by the end of the next 6 sprints. Specific, user stories. Measurable, 85%. Achievable, cumulative acceptance rate. Relevant, stakeholders. Time-bound. The KPI specifies achievement in 6 months. The product owner uses KPIs to maximize the value delivered by the development team. These KPIs help the product owner align the product vision with the organizational strategy. Let's discuss some key KPIs a product owner typically develops and monitors. First, let's discuss the KPIs used to measure customer experience and satisfaction. Consider this customer-centric SMART KPI that measures churn. Reduce customer churn rate to 10% within 6 months by improving loyalty program engagement. Churn measures the percentage of users who stop using a product. Reducing churn ensures long-term product success. Other customer experience KPIs include customer satisfaction, or CSAT measures, whether the product meets user expectations, usually through surveys. A Net Promoter Score, or NPS, assesses the likelihood that customers recommend a product to others. Retention rate tracks the percentage of users who continue using the product over a specific period of time. Next, let's discuss KPIs related to the performance of a product or service. An example of a SMART KPI that measures feature adoption. Increase the adoption rate of the new app feature to 40% within 3 months of its release. A feature adoption rate KPI tracks how frequently users engage with new features. Other product performance measures include time to market. This KPI represents the delivery efficiency of new features or updates to help maintain competitiveness and respond to market demands. Conversion rates evaluate how effectively potential users change from one stage of the customer journey to the next, such as free to paid accounts or those who browse change into paying customers. Now let's discuss metrics that focus on revenue. Consider this SMART KPI that measures revenue. Generate an average of $25 per user per month for premium subscriptions by the end of Q2. This KPI measures average revenue per user, ARPU. Other revenue indicators the PO manages include monthly recurring revenue, MRR, and customer lifetime value, CLV. All of these metrics tie product performance directly to business outcomes. Lastly, we will discuss KPIs that relate to delivery excellence. Consider this KPI regarding user stories. Complete 85% of user stories per sprint within the next 4 iterations. Forecast accuracy examines the completion of user stories compared to what was forecasted in sprint planning. Acceptance rate tracks the percentage of deliverables accepted by stakeholders during a sprint demo. A high acceptance rate indicates alignment with stakeholder needs and good communication of requirements. KPIs require continuous monitoring and adjustment. Feedback loops help indicate the need for recalibration. Feedback loops allow product owners to adapt quickly based on real data. By integrating feedback, the product owner ensures KPIs remain relevant and reflect actual product performance, fostering a culture of learning and improvement. Customer feedback solicits input from users through surveys, reviews, or direct interactions to inform how well the product solves anticipated problems. Development teams can provide insights into the feasibility, technical challenges, and opportunities for innovation, ensuring that KPIs remain realistic and actionable. Business stakeholders offer a broader perspective on how the product aligns with organizational goals, helping refine KPIs to support strategic objectives. Automated tools and dashboards provide quantitative feedback, enabling the PO to identify trends, anomalies, and opportunities for optimization. Effective KPIs act as a compass. They ensure the product owner, team, and stakeholders remain focused on driving success and fostering continuous improvement. Let's look at the KPIs typically managed by the product owner. KPIs link the product vision to measurable outcomes, ensuring team efforts contribute to overarching business objectives. Consistently meeting delivery goals and achieving high acceptance rates strengthens trust with stakeholders, improves team confidence, and measures incremental successes. Because KPIs align with organizational objectives, well-defined KPIs provide transparency when evaluating performance. Established KPIs provide a framework for the product owner to make informed choices based on real-time data. Using KPIs minimizes guesswork and reduces the risk of costly missteps. By monitoring KPIs, the product owner can readily prioritize high-impact areas, ensuring effective resource allocation. Analyzing KPI trends can uncover opportunities for new features, improvements, or market expansion, driving the product's long-term evolution. By continuously tracking KPIs, product owners can identify issues before they escalate, enabling proactive intervention. They provide motivation by giving teams a sense of purpose and direction, boosting morale and productivity. In this video, you learned that KPIs measure how well the organization, team, or individual meets their objective. A product owner identifies and manages KPIs that measure customer experience and satisfaction, product performance, revenue, and delivery excellence. Product owners continually monitor and adjust KPIs using feedback loops. Product owners use KPIs to keep teams aligned with business goals and deliver value. KPIs allow product owners insights to uncover opportunities and identify issues before they escalate. Effective KPIs foster an adaptable, data-driven, and customer-centric development process.